Build without a developer. Artifacts, visuals, and Claude Design. So for a long time, there was a wall between the people who could imagine something and the people who could build it. Designers, developers, motion graphic artists. You needed one of them to make anything real. Now, Claude has been quietly demolishing that wall. And this session is about three features that puts building in the hands of anyone who can describe what they want, people like me. Now, we are going to cover artifacts, Claude's ability to build interactive tools and apps directly inside the chat window, then interactive visuals like live, clickable diagrams and frameworks you can use to explain and teach anything, and then Claude Design, the newest capability as of 2026, which turns plain English into pitch decks, landing pages, one-pagers, and design mockups. Now, each of these used to require a different person, a different tool, and a different invoice. Now they are one conversation away. Part 1 is artifacts. Now, artifacts are what happens when you ask Claude to build something rather than explain something. So you tell Claude to build you a spreadsheet with sample sales data. Columns for rep name, deal stage, product sold, deal value, close date, and hit enter. Now when you get back, what you get back is not text that describes a spreadsheet. It is a working, interactive spreadsheet right inside the chat. You can click cells, edit values, add rows, and you can also build calculators, quizzes, interactive checklists, mini dashboards, anything that has logic and interaction. Claude writes the code, you get the tool. And this is the shift most people miss. Claude isn't just answering your questions, it is building things for you. And if you have ever thought, I need a developer to make this, try Claude first. Seriously, try it first. Part 2, interactive visuals related capability. Different use case. Now ask Claude to visualize something, a framework, a process, a set of data. And it does not write a text description. It builds you a live, clickable visual diagram right in the chat. And this is enormously useful for anyone who teaches, presents, or needs to explain something complex quickly. So instead of building a slide, opening a design tool, and spending an hour on layout, you describe what you want to communicate, and you get a working visual in 30 seconds. And importantly, this visual stays in the chat. You can iterate on it conversationally. Add a sixth stage for post-purchase advocacy. Now, make the color scheme match my brand. No separate tool, no export-import cycle, and you can get everything done. And the third one is Claude Design. Now, Claude Design is the newest member of this toolkit, launched in 2026. So you go to claude.ai/design to access it. This is purpose-built for creating polished visual documents. Pitch decks, one-pagers, landing page mockups, workbooks, visual reports, you name it and you have it. You describe what you want, and Claude builds a designed, formatted, professional-looking version in minutes. Well, the quality is not AI output that needs to be fixed. It is a starting point that gets you 80% of the way there instantly. And if you provide brand guidelines, a logo, or example designs to match, Claude adapts to your visual identity. It recently integrated with Adobe's toolchain. So the design ecosystem is shifting really fast. But even today, before any of those integrations mature, this tool is already genuinely useful. And we come to key takeaways. Artifacts is equal to working apps in the chat, spreadsheets, calculators, dashboards, not descriptions of them, actual tools. Interactive visuals replace static slides for frameworks and processes. Clickable, iterable, no separate design tool required. Claude Design is pitch decks, one-pagers, and landing pages on demand. Access at claude.ai/design. So the theme here is describe and build. You no longer need a developer or a designer for every tool and asset. And this is what the worst it's ever going to look like. These capabilities will only and only improve in the future.